Period leave. The debate is on once again. After Zomato announced their period leave policy, सब Twitter पे अपने opinions डाल रहे हैं. While some work environments are still up and against the idea of hiring women, questioning their output, still trying to bridge the gender pay gap, and providing maternity leaves, amidst all this, does period leave come across as regressive? Or is it something that should be considered on medical grounds? क्या old fashioned idea है यार. On one hand we fight for equal treatment at workplace and on the other hand we are making periods an issue. मेरी मम्मी ने तो मुझे बड़ा ही ये बोल कर करा है that don't let periods get in your way. Women athletes participate in sports without caring whether it's that time of the month for them. Just take a sick leave na. Almost all organizations give 12 days of sick leave anyway. If you're not feeling well, वो use कर लो. Look. Sick leave and period leave aren't the same, okay? Let me explain. This has got nothing to do with, oh, if you're a feminist, why do you want a period leave? अब कहाँ गई तुम्हारी equality? देखो boss, I'm a feminist, but that doesn't change the fact that biologically, women and men are different. Are we really still saying we can't give women a leave or the option to work from home for that one day? क्या biological discrimination कर रहे हो यार? That's exactly how we bracket jobs too, right? This isn't meant for a woman because she isn't biologically as strong as a man. One question that most employers tend to ask the just married women they plan to hire is, are you planning to start a family anytime soon? तो वैसे ही there's so much bias at interview stage. अब वो ये भी सोचेंगे कि चलो she will also be missing work for 10 extra days. We've been fighting these biases for so long, yeah. Why ruin all of that when women are kind of in a better place professionally than ever before? Thanks. You gave me another point there. So tell me, do you think maternity leave is also a bad idea? No, right? We can't expect a woman who's just given birth to join work. It's a process. The body takes time to heal. It's a must. Doesn't make her a bad worker, right? And nahi yaar. Sick leave is not an option for both sexes. What are the chances if I have a fracture, use up all my sick leaves, and I need a day off because my period is always very painful? I might have a menstrual disorder like dysmenorrhea, endometriosis, PCOS. There are so many reasons for painful periods. अरे but सबको थोड़ी होती हैं ये problems. I can work through my period even when I might have cramps or pains. It's never that bad. In most cases, you can easily pop a painkiller and work through your period. Not like women haven't done all of these things all these years. Firstly, congratulations that you can work through your period, but not every woman can. Choice? That's the thing here. Why are we so afraid to give women that choice? If you feel comfortable and are in pain, why should the woman not have a choice to take that chutti and rest? Do you know that studies have found that period pain is equivalent to the kind of pain you feel during a heart attack? Maybe that should give these people an estimate of roughly what it feels like. Okay, you have one such problem. What about people like me? We could misuse this, right? Oh, I'm entitled to 10 days of extra leave. Why should I not take it? ये implement कैसे करोगे? The number of days a period pain lasts is different for all women. कभी-कभी तो महीने में 2 बार भी periods हो जाते हैं. What if someone questions you about all that? तो सबसे पहले बात करो ना इसके बारे में. That's the whole point of this period leave, that women shouldn't have to call in sick because they are on their period. Period isn't a sickness. So talk about it. Ask how many women suffer from these disorders and have to literally drag themselves out, dress up, come to work, try to concentrate on work when period pain or period migraine is ripping them apart. जब तक बात नहीं करोगे तो solution कैसे निकलेगा? अरे मुझे notice board पे नहीं लगाना, मैं period पे हूँ, मुझे छुट्टी चाहिए. And then reinforce all these stereotypes against women कि ओ उसका period है तो उसका दिमाग ठीक से नहीं चल रहा होगा. She can't make a rational decision. महीने का वो दिन and all that. Can you imagine what it'll be like for women in creative spaces and even in professional managerial positions? पहले promotion के लिए लड़ो, prove that you have potential, और फिर period leave लेके miss work. नहीं हो पाएगा boss. नहीं हो पाएगा ना? कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा. Even if it's an option to work from home in loose pants with a hot water bottle on my stomach to begin with. Sick leaves भी ऐसे ही शुरू हुई थी, right? They were made a thing so that people can take the day off and contribute wholeheartedly when they feel fitter. Period leave is also like that. And एक और study का example दे देती हूँ that says that there are more women in offices now and they actually contribute more than men at work in the same job. So if you can give that day off or give them the option to work from home, who knows? It might just increase productivity. But yaar, this is such a privileged argument. Imagine a woman who works in unskilled sector. She will never have that option. Or forget that. वो सोचेगी भी नहीं period या period leave के बारे में. So why are we making a fuss about things that we women know how to deal with? अभी तक भी तो कर ही रहे थे ना. Just because I'm from a privileged background doesn't mean I cannot talk about it being an issue. And the point is, it has to start somewhere. आज बात करोगे, कल implement करोगे, who knows unskilled sector तक भी पहुंच जाए. अगर जापान के labor laws में women के लिए period leave हो सकती है, तो हमारे यहाँ क्यों नहीं?
यार मैं तुम्हारी बात सुन रहा था और मुझे लगता है कि
No uterus, no opinion.